Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to download the attachments under the Gmail account. See, first log on to the Gmail www.gmail.com. Then provide username and the password. Directly, we are going to enter into the Gmail now. Okay, now the default way will be inbox. Okay, we have received some attachments from other persons. Here, how we are going to download? These are the attachments. See, suppose here I'll compose and I will send one attachment to my mail only. Then we will see how to download that attachments and how to save into the computer. Okay, here I am going to compose. See, compose is nothing but we are going to send. I'll give the same account kanfinity to at gmail.com. Then here I am going to attach some picture. Subject I'm going to give it as picture because I'm going to attach one of the file picture. Then down there is a paperclip option, that is attach files. See, here you can see attach file. Click on that attach file. Now it will take the locations of the computer from where we are going to select the picture. See, for example, if it is there on the desktop, select desktop or else downloads, any of the location. See, here I have saved so many pictures onto the downloads. Just I click onto the download. Then I am going to select any one of the picture. See, I am going to select this picture, select and click onto the open. Now the attachment is going to be added onto the compose window. So here you can observe, as soon as I click onto the open, the image has been attached onto the compose window. Okay, now you can see here JPG, the extension JPG, that means this is the picture. Then once we attach, just simply click onto the send. See, as soon as I click onto the send, here you can observe the top of the window, the message is going to be, or the mail is going to be appear now. Okay, click on send. Okay, you can observe here. Why? Because I have given the same email address, so within a fraction of a second I have received the particular mail here. Okay, now the top of the window you can see received. The subject I have given as picture. Then you can observe, just once you receive that mail, you just you click on that mail. See, once you click on that mail, the mail is going to be open like this. It is going to be appear like this. See, from where you have received, from the person where we have received, and what is the attachment here. Then the subject is here. The subject I have given as picture. Then from where I send, the particular address we are going to get here, and what is the subject or what is the content or what is the attachment they have attached into the mail. It is going to be here. Now we are going to download the attachment. See, on attachment, just you keep the cursor on attachment. See, as soon as I keep the cursor on attachment, here we are going to get some different options here. See, one is download, then add to drive, then save to photos. See, download, if I click onto the download option, directly it is going to be download on this computer. See, just you click on that. See, here you can see, here you can observe on the download folder, it is going to be downloaded. If you don't want to download in this computer, we can also add directly onto the Google Drive. See, if I click onto the add to drive, directly it is going to be save onto the Google Drive. And if I want to save in my photos, Google Photos, directly if I click onto the save to photos, it is going to be save onto the Google Photos. Now I have selected the download option. See, again once again if I click, it is going to be downloaded. Here you can observe twice I have downloaded here. That means two files are going to be downloaded and it will be saved in the download folders. Okay, once we download the attachment, just you minimize the window of Gmail, then come back to the desktop, select this PC. See, click on this PC, then left side you can see there are the locations of the computers. As I told in the previous videos, these are the locations of the computer. There you select downloads folder. See here there is a download folder. Click on downloads and you can observe here now twice I have downloaded this picture. See this picture only I have added in my Gmail account and I sent. Then after sending I have downloaded attachment twice, so it has been saved in the download folder. So in this way we are going to download and save the attachments what we are going to receive in a download folder. See once we save, see default whenever we click onto any attachment, default it is going to be saved under the downloads only. From here we can shift wherever we want save. So for example I don't want to keep it in the download folder, just select the picture, copy or cut wherever you want to save, create a folder, or where you want to save, just paste. It is going to be saved on a particular location. So in this way we are going to download the attachments from the Gmail and we are going to save in the particular locations onto the computer. I hope you understood how to download and save the attachments from the Gmail account by watching this video. Thank you.